Hello, thank you for joining me. My name is Shlomi from Unique, and in this video I want to reveal the secret cell in Excel. Okay, so a short intro, and we are just starting. Okay, thanks again for joining me. If it's the first time on this channel, you can subscribe and make the like button on. Let's start it. Okay, I have a table, a dynamic table as we call it, and I want to analyze the data in this table. So I go to Insert, Pivot Table, and OK. Okay, let's turn the left to right. And I have all these fields. Let's say I want to show the customers by product and the quantity and totals. Okay, let's switch the what we call the row labels to the real header column headers. So we go to this design, report layout, and show in tabular form, and we got the right headers, the real headers of the table. Okay, on the pivot table, we can see that the filter buttons are located just on the row area, or on the column area. Okay, we don't have any filters buttons on the value area, the value fields. Okay, so how can we filter the value columns with a filter? Okay, so one way is to go to this filter on the customers or on the product, and we've got here the value filters, which will be and we have all these options, but we don't have this window for the values columns. Okay, we don't have the option to mark just few of the items and to filter it out. Okay, so how can we add the filter buttons to the value columns? Okay, I'm going to this cell. Okay, this is the secret cell in Excel. Okay, I'm going to the data and turn on the filter button. And when I'm doing it, you can see the filter button now were added to the two of the columns of the value columns. And now it's a regular filter. We can filter it on a specific values. Okay, we can sort it, ascending or descending. Okay, we can sort it by color if we have any color. Okay, like any filters. Okay, if we go, if we can see on the data the filter button. Now I'm in the pivot table and the filter button is off. Okay, in order to remove those filters from the value sections, okay, I need again to go to the secret cell. Let's mark it in yellow. Okay, and go to the data, and the filter button is on. We can turn it off, and the filters from the value columns are disappear. Okay, so this is the secret cell in Excel. Okay, so thank you for joining me to this session. See you on the next video. Bye.